Okay, welcome back. We are now in what place is here?
I think this is just east of Childress,
Okay,
Texas.
Just east of Childress, Texas. So I will focus here the windmills, and over there is another Sandstorm. This is a wide field of barley. This is a barley, right? Oh yeah.
Oats.
Oh no, it's oats. Yes, Abby said it's oats. So this is a farm of oats with the windmills. So we will enjoy the beauty of amazing windmills. So some states there are lots of windmills, and some states no. They are having a solar, just like in California, Oregon, Washington, like that, or Colorado, like that. But here they're using windmills for the purpose of source of the energy, power. Power that runs of the current and then makes the lights. Here is the oats farm and the windmills. See that? Is there it oats? Huh? Okay, the there eats oats. There is another farm. We'll go back there. Okay. So windmills. So in this part of Texas is usually farm of oats. See that? That's all oats. Here. That's oats. There are lots of mines the windmills along the way. Oats farm with windmills. So they have a double purpose. Oats farm and windmills. So in my country, we need to travel a long distance just to see and have the pictures of a few windmills, but right here they are all scattered and they are all normal, and there are bunches, not only few, but they are all like hundreds, like that. So who discovered the windmills?
They've been around for decades and years. Over in Europe, the windmills were used for running sawmills. Were used for grinding wheat and stuff. We here.
Okay, post. There are another sandstorm, right?
Yeah.
There is another sandstorm, and we will see the amazing sandstorm upon the windy travels. So this is sandstorm. I cannot say it's a shadow, just like that right here. See that? That's a sandstorm. That's storm. So if you see, it's just like cold, or you may see it seems like a dust, but not a dust, right?
Yep.
It's a sand. See that? And the water, look. Okay, bye guys. Enjoy. Hope you enjoy the sandstorm, windmills, and the oat farm. Have safe. Love ya.